Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the drain hose on your Bosch dishwasher. Before you start, empty your dishwasher and mop up any water down in the filter section. Remove the screws holding the side panels. Remove the 3 lower screws on the front panel on both sides. Now the outer door panel can be removed. Remove the 2 screws holding the front service access panel. Using a screwdriver, pry open the service access panel. Unclip and remove the overflow guide channel. Some Bosch dishwashers have 2 more screws on the back of the side panels. If they do, remove them. Now remove the side panels on both sides. Remove the insulation. Remove the door spring covers and remove the door springs on both sides of the dishwasher. Flip the dishwasher upside down and unclip the re-hose access panel. On the back side corners you will find 2 tabs that hold the base of the dishwasher to the tub. Straighten them on both sides. Using a screwdriver, unclip the tab holding the base of the dishwasher on both sides. Pull the base of the dishwasher up. Unclip the drain hose and pull it out from the back. Feed the new drain hose into the back panel and secure it into its place. Clip in the rear access panel. Clip the drain hose into the base of the dishwasher. Align the base of the dishwasher with the tub. Make sure the drain hose aligns with the water guide before pushing down. Firmly clip in all 4 corners of the base into the tub of the dishwasher. Bend the securing tabs back into place on both sides of the dishwasher. Recheck to make sure everything is clipped in and secure. Check that both of the hoses are in firmly. Reattach the door springs. Refit the door spring using pliers and gently tap it back into its place. Refit the door spring cover. Once both of the door springs are back in its place, test the door to make sure it opens and closes properly. Refit the insulation and the side covers. When refitting the side panels, clip the bottom of the panel first. Screw the side panels in. Refit the overflow water guide. Put the insulation back into its place. Reattach the front service panel. And don't forget to screw it back in as well. Refit the front decorative kick panel. Refit the door clips. Refit the front door panel. Start at the top and then one corner at a time, clip it back in. Refit all the screws for the front panel on both sides. Disconnected the power cable, firmly plug it back in. Thanks for watching, and this is how you replace the drain hose on your Bosch dishwasher. Please like and subscribe so I can make more great videos like this.